Assembly instructions for UPC number 26173 and 26179. 36-inch and 24-inch fridge cabinet. The 36-inch fridge cabinet will be shown in this video. Thank you for your purchase of one of many fine products designed and manufactured by UPC. We have made every effort to make your assembly easy, clear and hassle-free. For more information or if you have any questions, contact customer service at 1-800-859-7442. Start the assembly by removing everything from the boxes provided for the display. Make sure to verify with the instruction sheet provided that you have all the items in the parts list and parts bag. Required tools for assembly. Number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Assembly instructions. Keep in mind that although these displays are different sizes, they will be assembled in nearly the exact same way. Step 1. Screw in 16 cam bolts A into left side panel J and right side panel H. Attach 2 hinge plates C to left side panel J and right side panel H, using screws already in hinge plates C. Step 2. Attach 2 shelf panels L and back panel K to left side panel J, using cams. Using hex key E, turn cams clockwise to secure panels together. For more detailed instructions, refer to top of page 2 in the instruction sheet. Step 3. Attach right side panel H to assembly using cams. Again, secure panels together by tightening the cams along the panel. Step 4. Further secure 2 shelf panels L with fork screws B on rear side of assembly. Step 5. Tip display assembly onto back and then tip upright. Note, this step is much easier with 2 people. Don't be like strong man Glenn. Step 6. Screw 2 door hinges D to right door N. Attach cabinet pull F to right door N with provided screws. Repeat for left door M. Tip. Glenn finishes the next step, step 7, before attaching cabinet pull so the doors are steady for installation. Look at him go. Step 7. To be like Glenn, for step 7, attach left door M and right door N to assembly by hooking hooks on door hinge to pins on hinge plate. For a more detailed step-by-step on how to do this, refer to bottom of page 5 in the instruction sheet. If you have not installed the cabinet pulls prior to this step, then do so after this step, just like Glenn. After that step, your assembly is complete. Congratulations on completing this project. If you have any questions, please contact customer service at 1-800-859-7442.